taking my earrings. So let's do this. Sakit. Oh yes, let's get it. Ma, mali magkakas ka ma.
Okay.
So I take off just my earrings. That's how I take off my earrings, guys. That's how I take off my earrings. Now let's take off another earrings here. This is not true to the life. Ow. Ow, 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 ouch. Ow, wait. I'm alive. You have to do this, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah. That's how I take my earrings. That's so close to get the thing. So that's it, guys. Nice to meet you with your earrings. The thanks very much. I'm gonna put this teddy bear earrings. OMG. I'm gonna put. Oh, I'm sorry. I just need to do this teddy bear. Oh, she wants earring. I'm sorry. Let's do this earring. This is earrings. I can't believe it. Teddy bear. Earrings. Teddy bear. Dig. This is gonna work. Oh, it won't work. It actually worked. Whoa. Oh, cute things. Cute little. Oh, that almost hit you. Where should we put her little mascaras? Here. Up. Okay, put it in there. Oh, it's so cute. Guys, so cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's so cute. I can't believe it that I'm crying. Oopsie. This is not even working with me. It's hurt my teddy bear. We can do this teddy bear. Did it work? Let's get these things. First, let's get the little thing that is in my ring. Let's put it over there so I can see it, and let's put it the teddy bear. Okay. This is not even the earring. How to do? You can do this teddy bear. The teddy bear is not working. Oh, it's working. Woo! That teddy bear work. Teddy bear work. I'm gonna make this to a baby. Just wait.